Versio Credit Repair Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Versio. All product links are included in the description below. Versio is an AI-powered credit repair platform designed for individuals who want to take control of their credit without paying for expensive credit repair services. It connects directly with your credit reports from all three bureaus via partnerships with Smart Credit, Identity IQ, or Privacy Guard, making the setup process fast and seamless. Once connected, the system uses automation and built-in dispute logic to identify negative items like late payments, charge-offs, and collections, and then guides you through creating effective, legally compliant dispute letters. Unlike many other platforms, Versio doesn't just provide generic templates. It tailors each dispute based on the data pulled, helping to boost accuracy and efficiency. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for beginners, making it perfect for individuals with little to no experience in credit repair. One of its biggest strengths is the automation engine, which walks you through each step and helps track responses and credit score changes over time. You can create unlimited disputes, and the system helps ensure disputes are properly spaced and timed for best results. Another strength is the affordability. It's significantly cheaper than most professional repair services and doesn't require you to hire anyone. However, it's important to understand its limitations. Versio is strictly for DIY users. It's not built for credit repair professionals or businesses, and there's no team management, CRM, or client portal. Also, since it depends on third-party credit monitoring services, you'll need to pay a separate monthly fee to access full functionality. Support is also primarily through email and help articles, so don't expect high-touch customer service. Still, for individuals who want a smart, automated, and cost-effective way to fix their credit, Versio delivers excellent value. It's ideal for consumers looking to take ownership of their credit journey without getting overwhelmed. If you're ready to get started or want to explore pricing and plan details, check the links in the description below.